Hey everyone, Jess here from Baby Village. If you value sleep and you're welcoming a new baby into your life, then this video is for you. We're about to take a look at one of the most innovative products that's come to the baby sleep space in the last few years. Let's check out the 4Mums mamaRoo Sleep Bassinet. As any new parent will tell you, sleep is literally the most important thing that you can get right for you and your baby. And I think the 4Mums mamaRoo Sleep Bassinet is going to help parents sort this out from day one. Similar to a traditional bassinet that you would put your baby in from birth until they're rolling and starting to sit up, the 4Mums Sleep Bassinet actually helps you settle your baby in a motion that would replicate what you would do as a parent. 4Mums is a US brand, and they take an approach to design to make parents' lives easier. The Sleep Bassinet has been designed on the same principles as the original mamaRoo seat, except for the fact that it's obviously lay flat, so you can use it for sleep. It's based on movement, speed, and sound. So the Sleep Bassinet will mimic 5 different movements that you can scroll through, and we recommend that you play around with them until you find the one that's right for your baby. There's 5 speed adjustments on each of the different movements. So again, you can adjust that until you find the right fit for your baby. There's also sound built into the mamaRoo, so you've got some white noises to choose from. And when you use the app, you can actually put on a sleep timer. So for example, you might put your baby down into the mamaRoo Sleep Bassinet, dozy but not asleep. You turn it on and allow them to go to sleep with the movement for about 15 minutes, and then once they're asleep, that movement then stops. You would also use the timer when you're ready to transition your baby out of the sleep bassinet and into their cot. The included mattress is firm and breathable, and you've got the option to add a mattress protector and sheets. Of course, other brands will certainly fit as well. It is height adjustable, so it will suit a variety of different bedroom setups and make sure that you've always got easy access and visibility of your baby. There's an optional basket that you can attach to the mamaRoo, and this is great for keeping things like blankets, nappies, toys, whatever you might need in the middle of the night. As a parent of a newborn, I can tell you from personal experience, sleep again was the most critical factor for me to get right. I wish the mamaRoo Sleep Bassinet had have been around when I had my newborn. I certainly could have done with the help of the movement to get my son to sleep. If you want any more information about the 4Mums mamaRoo Sleep Bassinet, anything else from 4Mums, or anything else in the Baby Village lineup, head over to our website, babyvillage.com.au. Otherwise, I look forward to taking you through the next brand new product in our lineup. See you next time.